with intuitive touch, I've had Reiki sessions, but in the Reiki classes, Rebecca's done subtle energy, and of course massage, and it's all been great. It's been just terrific. I enjoyed the classes and I learned from them, and she's done an amazing job with me. I've seen her for the past 20 years, and she's brought me from where I thought only rich people could afford and could have massages to where I realize that it's not just relaxation massage, it is therapy. It really is. And it's good for your body, it's good for your mind. And I really would recommend intuitive touch to anybody. You walk in the door and it feels welcoming. And the therapists are friendly, but very knowledgeable. They're very professional without being condescending. It's just been a life changer. With a subtle energy, it is subtle. And you may think that, oh, it doesn't make a difference, but it does. It helps your body. It helps my mind, it helps my attitude. It helps your spirit, your soul. You're happier, you feel better, life is better.